Number 3 here, you're going to simplify by multiplying the polynomial. This looks like a traditional monomial in front of a parentheses. So, like before, we're just going to distribute. Okay? So watch how I color code it, right? The 2 times the x, that's going to become 2x. And then the 2 times -7 becomes -14. There you go. Next, you have 2x times x. That becomes 2x squared, because remember, x times x becomes x squared. Remember that? Then you have 2x times 20. 2 times 20 becomes 40. Don't forget the x. Next, you have 3x squared. Right here, 3x squared times x squared. So 3 times 1 is just 3. Okay. Then you have n squared times n squared. We know that is n to the 4th. N to the 4th. Then we have 3n squared times -6. That becomes negative. 3 times -6 is -18. The n squared times n. So n squared times n, that's n to the 3rd. So that's n to the 3rd. All right, let's do the last one. We have 2x cubed times, oops, sorry. This needs to be a k here, right? So that should be the same letter, k, right? Okay, 2k to the 3rd times 3k to the 2nd. So this becomes 6, k third, k squared. So that's how it looks like right here on the side. K third times k second becomes k to the 5th. Because again, you're multiplying k third times k 5th. So this becomes k to the 5th. Then you have k 2k3 times k 5k. 2 times 5, that becomes 10. K3 times k is k4, right? K3 times k becomes k to the 4. Then the last piece, 2 times -4, -8, k third, just k third. All right.